Hi guys, this is Maria, and I'm just going to go over some of our frequently asked questions on our true complimentary unlimited protection warranty. A lot of these questions are just frequently asked, so I'm just going to cover them right here for you really quick. So the first and the most common one that we get is, what is the unlimited protection plan? So this one is covered for 100% during your ownership. It covers unlimited miles, unlimited years, and unlimited claims. It's the best coverage in the market. It also goes even further to cover maintenance items such as timing belts and chains. Unlike our competitors who usually have just the normal powertrain lifetime warranty, this one is more broad and covers a wider range of items for you. So it's just better for you and your vehicle in general. The next three questions are kind of along the same lines. So these three are, do I have to service my new vehicle at the place where I bought it for the warranty to be valid? Which, no, you do not. Can I service my vehicle at my local dealer? Yes, you can. And will the warranty be valid if I service my new vehicle at my local mechanic, such as a Jiffy Lube or someone that you know that has a local shop? Which, yes, you can, as long as they are ASE certified. Then you can go anywhere. You do not have to come to the dealership where you purchased the vehicle. Another frequently asked question that we get is there any special maintenance required for this warranty to stay valid? No, you just have to keep up with your with the regular factory maintenance, which you can refer to in your owner's manual. Another question is, does this warranty affect my factory warranty? No, this is just an addition to the factory warranty. Can I buy the warranty at a later time? No. Unfortunately, this one's provided for free at the time of purchase of the vehicle, so if you don't get it then unfortunately you just will not get it. Can I elect to not receive the warranty and receive a better price on the vehicle? Again, no, this is complimentary, so it comes along with the vehicle. Can I transfer this warranty to another car? No, the warranty stays with the vehicle and the original owner. So if you were to transfer it to somebody else, unfortunately, it will not go with it. And then another frequently asked question is, what company backs our true complimentary unlimited protection warranty? And that is CNA National Warranty Company. They are one of the oldest and largest commercial insurance companies in our area. And then what happens if a dealership, for example, goes out of business? Will my warranty still be valid? And that's yes. Because it's backed by CNA National Warranty, which is a third-party insurance company, the warranty is still valid. So basically, these are a lot of our frequently asked questions, and of course you guys might have more, and our finance department is excellent at answering these questions. You can always give them a call or check out our websites. There's even more information on all of our warranties, as well as this one on there for you. So thanks for listening.